Hello everyone, in our video we'll learn how to create data entry forms in Excel. Let's start. First add the column headers as shown. I filled 5 cells only. Select the 5 cells, go to Insert menu, then select Table. Once the Create Table comes up, check My Table has headers. Then press OK. Right-click the Insert menu, select Customize the ribbon. The Excel Options panel appear. At the right bottom press the New Tab button. A new tab appear. Right-click the new tab, and rename it as you want. In my case I rename it to My Forms, then press OK. Select the new group. And at the left side from the drop-down list select Commands Not in the Ribbon, scroll down and select Form, and press the Add button at the middle lane, then press OK. You find that a new menu appear. Open the new menu, you'll find the form is added to it. Select the form. When Sheet 1 form appear you can enter each row data. After you enter the first row data you can press the new button to move to the next row and so on. That is all.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.